Hello, this is Supreme Magic 69. Welcome to another video. Today I will be doing a launchpad video. First launchpad video on the channel, and this is going to be a good one. This is going to be sounds I have created on the launchpad, and it's going to be a gooder. It is going to be a gooder. It's going to be awesome. So we're going to go user 1 to start. This is the first sound. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the next sound is this one. Quite a good one. This is quite a good combo right there. These two together sound like this. That was the first two sounds. The next one is this. Sounds kind of similar to this one, except it's different. There's that one, and I love that one. These three together sound pretty cool. Like, not to lie. Sounds pretty cool. All of them together look like this. I just had to play a little tune there. I'm not sure if you guys heard it, but this is a beginner's starter project. Pretty good. So this button right here, if you guys don't know what a launch pad is, basically it's a pad that has a bunch of buttons on it, as you guys can see. And the button order is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You barely have to even press 4. You just tap. But you tap, and it does that. I'll do another video on how to mod your launchpad later. But so basically, what you do, it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes to this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and so on. And then here, and then after this part, then it goes to this part: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's basically these sounds over here are all focused on one thing. They're like the dinging kind of thing. Like, you guys can't hear that, but it's like do 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 do. This one is that. This one is the dun 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 dun. This is also da 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 da, but not edited. This one is that one. This one is, and this one is. And this one, just a dun. And then this one is a. You guys won't be able to hear that, I don't think either, but it's like. So is that one. It's the same thing. And all of the ones that I edited together look and sound like this. Or here, I'll go from this side so you can see. That is the launchpad. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please comment in the comment section below if you guys have ever played launchpad before. If you have, comment what song you've played, or if you made a song. If you made a song, comment the name. If you guys have any requests for like song downloads or anything, just like leave them in the comments and I will read them. Click the link or whatever, comment a link, and yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. We will see you in the next video. Bye!